This is our 1 horsepower Hammond chip breaker grinder. This unit is currently wired for 440. It can also be wired for 220. We have dual work heads on this. On the back we have a carbide grinder. And on the front we just have a standard grinder. The guard does come out. As you can see, the work head tilts. Both directions. Come in and out. If you can get close up here, we only got about 2.5 thousandths of play in the nut and the screw. This machine is still very, very tight, very nice shape. Same within here, there's maybe a couple tenths. The machine's very tight. See, there is actually no wear in between the rack and the pinion on this at all. The machine is still in very, very good shape. As you can see up here, we have on and off for coolant. Another one over here. You keep your part lubricated and your wheel at the same time. If you look down below, this is actually our coolant sump. Coolant does work, but we're not going to be demonstrating the coolant today. If you come back here, this is our carbide end. Loosen the clamps. Tape them till it's really easy. Whichever degree that you need to. And on the side over here, we have a gauge, let you know where you're at. It also has a work light. It has its own transformer hooked onto the machine, so there's no need to run any extra extension cords or anything like that. Over on this end, we have a forward and reversing barrel switch. This one switch controls the main motor, which drives the spindle on both ends at the same time. It's like a little spindle brake on the back. That's reverse. Take it forward. As you can see, goes up with ease. There's no binding, there's no tight spots, no loose spots. The unit's just shaking a little bit because it's sitting on this pallet. Slide goes in and out with ease. Cable goes back and forth with these. This is our 1 horsepower Hammond chip breaker.